So, all right, guys, today we are going to discuss some fundamental of programming construct, right? Some fundamental of programming construct. So first thing, I'm going to talk about instructions. Other people, just mute yourself. A lot of background noise is coming. Please, small child. It seems like he's also learning it, right? Core Java. Please. Okay, instructions, you understand? Especially Jaya, what about you? Instructions, you understand, right? Instructions, you can write in which language? English, right?
Yeah.
And in order to write instructions, you have to use some programming language. That is C, C++, C sharp, mhm,
Yes,
Java.
Java,
Or you can use Python, right?
Yep.
Python.
Etc. So any programming language you can use in order to write the instructions. What is the program? Jaya, see, we have to develop our skill in such a way so that you can give definition of each and everything. What is the program? Program is nothing. It's a set of instructions in order to achieve a goal. It is set of instructions. Guys, once you become bored, let me know. We'll stop the class, okay? It is set of instructions in order to achieve what? A goal. In order to achieve a task. Whatever you say, right? Done.
Yes,
For
yes, sir.
example, if you want, hey machine, can you add two number for me? Machine would say, yeah, I can.
Yes,
So what we need to do, we have to write some program, some instructions using some programming language, right? And this
right.
instruction you can submit to whom? Hello. You can
Computer.
submit this to computer. That's correct. See, you are writing instruction in English language and machine can understand binary language, right? So whatever instructions you are writing in English, machine cannot directly understand it. So what you need to do? In between, you have to introduce some converter. Yes, you know, who can convert your English into
Machine language.
machine language.
Translator.
That program, actually, that is another program, right? And this is called, don't know. This is called compiler. What is a compiler? Who will tell me? Compiler is a program which convert your that translate English instruction into underlying
Machine
machine language.
language.
Is
Very
that a
good.
translator?
You can say translator, compiler, all are the same thing, right?
Interpreter.
Interpreter.
Convert
Wow,
source codes into target code.
very good, very good. So, what is a compiler? Compiler definition is it is a program which convert your source code, right? This is also known as source code into machine code. Sometime when when compiler converts source code into some other format, it is not always machine language, right? It could be
Right.
intermediate language. Are you following me? So compiler does not convert source code always into
Machine code.
machine code. It depend on. In Java, it is not. Are you following me? So in Java, your program is source code is going to compile into some in between code that is called intermediate code or called Java bytecode. Oh, nice. Oh, people, what I said. In Java, your source code is converted into machine language directly or Java bytecode.
Java
Java bytecode.
Code.
bytecode.
First of
Yeah.
all, it is converted into Java bytecode, and from Java bytecode, further it is converted
Machine
into.
code.
Machine
Machine
code.
code.
Machine.
My God, Java program is going to compile how many times?
Two
Two
times.
times.
Two.
First of all, converted from source code to Java bytecode, then Java bytecode to machine language. Nice. So it is 80 to 82% compilation take place in first phase, and remaining like 18 to 20% compilation take place in second
Runtime.
phase.
Runtime.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Hey, non-IT people, you are able to understand or not? Tell me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
understanding.
I'm getting.
Yep. Yes. Yes.
You guys are really helping me to make this kind of diagrams, right? Hmm. Thank you, thank you. All this credit goes to you. So we need a compiler and we need interpreter. So you have to understand what is a compiler, what is the interpreter, right?
Right.
In order to understand programming language, you should have two things: mathematics and English. So I know English you have. I don't know about mathematics, right? So I think everybody is logical, right? You know fundamental of the mathematics. That's it. And the hard work. Simple. English, mathematics, and hard work. You can do
Yes.
it. So we need to understand the compiler, right? Let me write the definition of the compiler. I think everything is in my recording. Yes, you know, in that
Yes.
recording, compiler, please, is a
Yeah,
program
it's on
which
definition.
converts
Twitter.
source code
Into
into
machine code.
target code.
Into
Target code.
byte code.
Just
Target
no, no,
code.
no.
Yes. Yes.
The
Target
target
code.
code. So this is
Yes.
general definition, right? Your
Right.
source code may be C source code, Java source code, Python source code, but target code could be intermediate code, machine language. It could be anything, right? That's why I'm saying target code. Oh, nice. So we have compiler and we have interpreter. So we need to understand difference between compiler and interpreter. I'm just writing one statement, please. Every interpreter is a compiler.
Yes.
Every interpreter as compiler.
Right.
But opposite is not true.
True.
But every
Compiler.
compiler is not interpreter. Are you following me? Every compiler is not what difference is? Compiler does two things. Please, what first? It verifies the syntax of the program. It
Yes.
checks syntax. You know syntax? This is a apple. Wrong, right? Every language has syntax or not?
Yeah.
You know it,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
It checks syntax of the source code. Syntax of the source code. First thing, right? Second, already you know it.
Yeah. Converts into target code.
Yeah, convert code, right? From source to target. Hey people, I hope you're not getting bored.
Oh, no, sir.
We are not. Yes.
Okay.
Not even.
Convert code from source code to target. Nice. And what is use of interpreter? Interpreter is a compiler, right? But what it does two things: line by line compilation as well as execution. Line by line compilation huh? From
And execution.
Java byte code into machine code.
Machine code.
Right? Line by line compilation from Java byte code into machine code as
And
well as
execution.
and execution. You can write and execute. Oh, nice. So what is the extra in interpreter? Execution.
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 Line by line
Execution.
compilation from Java byte code into machine code and execution. Nice. That's why who is bigger, interpreter or compiler?
Interpreter.
Interpreter.
Nice, nice. So everybody is cool so far, right? So what we need to do? We need to write a simple Java program. So first of all, you have to compile it and run it. So let me show you. Ready? Yes, ready. All this is notes. Nobody is supposed to make any notes. Please don't do that. Why? Because I'm making notes for you. You have to just ensure you should not feel sleepy. That's your part. Okay. I'm going to make a program. See, in Java, if you want to write a program, you have to start with class. Please mug it. Okay. Class. This first program, you have to mug it. Slowly, you understand it. So here, my class is a keyword, right? And keyword, what is the keyword? Let me tell you the keywords. Jaya, do you know keywords? Words. Jaya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Words which meaning is which meanings are already defined for the
Java.
compiler, right?
Hmm.
Words which meaning are already defined for the compiler is known as keywords. Confused?
No.
No.
In Java, keywords are always in a small letter. If somebody write by mistake, you write in capital letter, I'll kill you. Okay. Java keywords are
Always a small letter.
always in small letter. Understand? Yep. E, suppose I say I'll kill you, right? Kill is a keyword or not? Yes. Kill meaning is predefined in English language. Yes, you know. You cannot say I
Yes.
love you, right? Kill
Yeah.
means I like you. Okay. Oh no.
No.
You know the meaning of it. You can again you cannot change the meaning of it. I'm sorry. Don't do that. Clear? Similarly, in Java, in every programming language, we have some words which meaning is predefined. Okay. For example, let me tell you some keywords example. Hmm? In Java, we have more than 50, right? So you cannot recall it all. Like class is a keyword. For, while, if,
Wow.
break, right? Continue. No need to remember it. Okay. Many more. I'll talk about it. Clear? So my intention is I need to make a small program. Can you help me for that? Keyword is clear to everybody?
Yeah.
Keywords?
Yes.
Thing is
Yeah. Yeah.
identifier. Ident. Please help me. Identifiers. Oh, nice. See, identifiers are name given to the variables. We'll tell you what is all these things. Name given to the variables, method, package, interface. No.
Method, variable,
Yeah, etc. or identifiers. It is just a
Sorry.
name identifiers. Please, and I can tell you there's some rule to define the identifier. I'll tell you. Okay, identifier means words. Whatever token you write in core Java in programming language, that is called identifier. For example,
plus
first rule of
A,
identifier is it should not start with digit. What? It
plus
must
A.
not start with digit. So I'm just writing some invalid identifier, okay? Like one ABC. You can't do it. Got my point? Hmm. It should not start with.
Digit.
Digits.
So please remember it. But digit can. This is invalid, right? Wrong. Got it? What is the correct one?
ABC1.
ABC one, right? Or sorry, A1. This is valid one. Okay. Second rule. Uh, it does not contain
Space.
special symbol.
Oh,
Does not
special.
contain special symbols, right? Except dollar. Are you following me? Except dollar. For example, if you write some variable name, wrong one. Are you following me? Wrong one is at the rate 123. Sorry. Are you with me? You cannot do it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
All are the wrong identifier. Make sense?
Mhm.
But dollar is allowed, right? What is the correct one? Jay, are you following me? Correct one is ABC. Dollar is allowed.
$2
$1. This is the valid one. Okay. Third and last
Second
rule.
one is not valid, right? So
That's
Second one.
valid, I think.
we can keep dollar in the front as well.
Yeah.
That's
Ah,
the
okay.
exception, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. See, you have to just remember three rules. First, it must not start with digit.
Mm.
It should not have a special symbol except dollar. Third, In between, you cannot use space. You can use only underscore. For example, ABC underscore XYZ is valid. Are you following me?
Yeah.
This is valid. But invalid one? Invalid.
ABC space XYZ.
ABC space. This is invalid. You cannot like this. Okay. Done. So anybody have any confusion? Difference between keywords and identifier. Every keywords are identifier because identifier is a general thing, right? Every what words are identifiers also. Is clear or confused?
Yeah.
Oh,
Clear.
every keywords are identifier also. Anybody have any question query or this is clear?
Yes,
Is
please.
people-
Please.
That's
Plus,
clear.
plus is acceptable. Plus,
Yeah. Class is a
plus,
keyword.
plus. Yes,
Plus.
keyword. We can use
No.
plus 1, 2, 3.
No, we cannot use plus.
Use.
Plus plus actually comes under the operator.
Yes,
Yeah.
plus.
Let me
Yes,
write it. Operators. You know operators? Mathematics. Plus,
Yes.
minus,
Yeah.
multiply, equal.
Divide. Yeah.
Operators can't be part of identifiers. That's correct? Yep.
Yeah.
So
Excuse
we
me,
can,
Nagendra. Do we have a identifier can be started from the uppercase also, right?
Yeah. Java is a case sensitive language. Okay. Very good question. Like here, A, B, C, right? A, B, A, B, all are the different identifier because Java is case
sensitive.
sensitive language. Do you understand the confused?
Okay, sure.
Case sensitive means capital, small, or different. Hmm? I'm just jumping to the next topic. If anybody have any question query, please ask.
No questions.
What I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a small Java Hello World program. Everything is in the recording, I hope. Anybody get an opportunity to watch my recording?
Yes.
Yes.
You
Yes.
just be honest, right?
Yeah, I have
Yes,
When you were
we
watching my recording, that time really you were able to understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Not
Not at
really. I didn't
once.
understand.
Not at once.
Okay, no problem. But what about now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's me now.
Yeah, we're getting.
Because here we have interaction. That's the reason, yes.
Hmm.
I don't know. When I teach, honestly, I'm telling you, I never feel I'm on remote. I don't know about you guys. I never feel I'm remote. Honestly, I'm telling you. Not replying. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Sometime you will not feel okay. Once you started to understand, we need to just be very concentrated, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
let me write a program. First of all, you use a class keyword. Class, this is the syntax, and you can use any name over here. Speaker, all right? A curly bracket open and close. Anywhere curly bracket open and close is called definition. So here you can use class, keyword small letter, and here you can write the class name. Class name, as per the Java recommendation, it is always start with capital letter. Just Java recommendation is not mandatory. Class space, how many space? One or more.
One.
Speaker
Okay.
space, one or more spaces. Curly bracket open and close. And every program has a main method to execute the
Public
program
static.
execution. So this you
Public
have to mark
static.
it, okay? Public
Starting
space
point.
static. How many space? One or more. Then main is also keyword, okay? Can you see this? This is the skeleton of a Java program that you have to mark it. Yeah, that's clear to you. And here you can write as capital and ARGS and square bracket. Yeah, this is the skeleton of Java program.
Okay.
Anybody have any question query? Any question query if you have? No.
Yes. Why do you prefer write main void string arguments and parentheses?
Yeah, I will teach you all those things one by one. Let
Uh,
me
one
let me
one
give you a
thing.
link of my website. Give me a second. I'll come to you. Uh, Technohang base. You can open this website. I'll share it, right? I think on Monday it was down. Here, after my session, you can refer my notes and you can refer this website as well.
Sure.
Why it is super duper slow? I don't know. I'll check it. Okay, this is hosted by me. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah.
By seeing this diagram, you can understand this is written by me. Okay, only
Okay.
diagrams
Thank you.
look like this.
Yes.
So
It's
here,
better.
what I'm trying to show you, like here, if you want to know about any program, everything is written in detail. So this is written in my language and diagram, you will get the same flavor. Can you see this?
Yes.
Let me send this as well. Please help me. Okay, done. See, in this, I'm going to tell you meaning of everything. Okay, one by one. In this, this you have to mug it. This is actually used to take input from the command line that I will teach you. What? This is to take input. Your program needs input, you know it. It's used to take
Yes.
input from command line. I'll teach you one by one, not right now. After some time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have one question. For example, you say the class is the keyword and main is the keyword, right? Here in
Yep.
this example.
Yep.
So
Yep.
do
Yep.
they
Yep.
have the hierarchy, something like that?
No. There is no hierarchy for that. No. This is the syntax, right? You have to write like this. Mean is also a keyword.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
In this public, static, void, all are the keyword. Interesting. Keyword. What about public? Hello. Keyword.
Public is not keyword.
Public
That's
is a keyword.
class, right?
Yeah. Public is a keyword. Class is a keyword. What about
What
string?
was
String is a
I was just gonna ask that.
yes.
Parameter.
What about string? String is a keyword or not?
It's not a data
No.
type.
Should be again. It is capital letter. 100% is not keyword.
Yeah, it's a data type.
Yeah. And this is the variable name. Okay, variable name is never keyword. Okay, this is actually name given by us, right? You can give any name to it. Okay, done. Now, if you want to say hi, so in Java you can write system s capital dot out dot. This is syntax which you have to mug for today. Okay, I'll explain you slowly. Print my dear friends. Whatever you write inside it, it will print as it is. What you have to mug? System s capital out small letter println small letter. In here, whatever you will write in double quotes, it is going to print as it is. Got my point? Done. Anybody have any question query? This program, when you run it, it will say aha. And main is what? Main is always starting point of the program. Main is always starting point of the program.
Problem.
Anybody have any question query? I'll tell you how to, first of all, you have to compile your code. So this is two-step process. What is the first step process, man? Compile
Source
the
code.
code.
Compile the source code to target code.
Yeah. First of all, we have to compile the code. Compile means you want to ensure syntax is correct.
Yes.
And you want to convert your source code into
Target code.
target code, which is Java bytecode in our case. Confused? No at all. Not confused, right? So this is your Java bytecode. Now this Java bytecode you can run it, right? Second, after compilation, Java bytecode you can execute it.
Yes.
I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. Fine. So in order to compile the code, we have to use a command that is called javac. Javac is a compiler which can convert your source code into Java bytecode, and then you can use Java to execute your program. So Java command is used for what purpose, Jaya? Command
Execute the
to run your Java program. To
Mhm.
run or execute, same thing.
source code into
No, no,
target
no,
code.
no. Yeah, command to execute Java bytecode
Okay.
or run your program. You can say that's same thing. Command to run execute Java bytecode. That's correct. Java C command. Hello,
File.
this command is a compiler, right? This command is a compiler. Or you can say this command is used to compile your source code. Anybody have any question, query? Or it is crystal clear? Especially people who is from not IT. If you don't understand, please, you should have that kind of dare. Come forward and say, hey, I'm not getting anything. That's fine. Unless and until you will not tell me, how I'll come to know.
I guess your diagram is not clear.
Exam is not clear?
Yeah, diagram is not clear.
No, what's not clear?
Your diagram, the last diagram.
A last diagram. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's great. See, this is the source code, right? First, using this Java C command, we are converting into Java bytecode. So this is your Java bytecode, this one. And Java bytecode is generated after compilation of your source code. That is clear to you?
Yes.
Once you have Java bytecode, then using the Java command, you are executing it. That's it. Now it's
Java
clear.
bytecode executed by machine code, right?
Yeah. Java, actually Java bytecode is executed by the interpreter. That is Java. That is Java
Yes.
in this. Here we have interpreter. So
Mhm.
what this interpreter is doing over here? It is taking Java bytecode and converting into machine code.
Machine code, yes.
Got a point? Like this. So
Yeah, it's better.
it's better, right? No worries. We'll talk more and more, right?
Sure.
Done. Nice. I'm going to run this program in the editor. So editor beauty is it can compile and run your code all together at one place. Hey, what is the editor? Editor is a program which gives you the environment capability to write your program, compile your program, and execute all together. So at my computer, which editor we have? Any guess? Eclipse. Yep. I'm telling you, you can only learn it when you do yourself. So here I have thousands of projects. You see. So
What?
first of all, you have to go to the file and make a new project. It is being recorded. I'll share with you. No worries. New project. Here you can choose what?
Java project.
Java project. And you have to give some name to it. Okay. Name is like batch 5/6 cubico February. Understood? Yep. And see, here you can use your Java JDK, whatever. I'm using Java 8, right? And I recommend you guys to use Java 11 and finish it. And when you say no, yeah, something, what option you have to choose? It is up to you. You can choose any option, doesn't matter. You see, after that, I'm able to make this project bash 6 CF. So first of all, you have to make a project. In a project, there is a SRC folder. Inside that, you can write your program. Anybody have any queries so far? No, because session is
No.
being.
You're good.
Okay.
No, we're good. We're good.
Click on the SRC. First of all, make a Java program. So I'm just trying to show you first Java program. Right click, new
Java plus.
class. Again, I'm telling you. Right click on the SRC, new and class. Here you have to give the name of the class, right? Name of the class is, as per the example, speaker. Make sense? Yes, speaker. And here package you can delete it. Package we don't need it unless until I teach you. Okay, make it blank. Package, package, package. Package will come at least 10 days after 10 days from now. Package, make it blank, and and if you want to add main method, can you see this? Check it. So I have given the name of the class and I check this option and click on the finish button. Magic. What magic? It's coming. Oh my God, can you see this? Ah, ah, ah. Oh, oh, oh. Are you following me? Delete the comment.
Yes.
And here this public is important, right? So
Right.
for you, you write public or not, it doesn't matter, but write public. Public, I'll explain you. Public is an access specifier which allows your class to be accessed outside the package. I'll teach you later, not right now. Anybody have any question query? This is the normal. Here in Java, if you want to write the comment, right, you can write this. This is normal. This is a skeleton of what? This is a skeleton. I don't know what spelling is. That's fine. It is format of normal Java program. Any question query you have? No. See,
So
when you
one quick question. What
please.
if we don't write public? Is it still going to be public
No,
or
no.
private?
Yeah. If you don't write anything, it will treat as a public, but
Public.
that is not actual public. That is called default. I will teach you.
Okay.
Right? And see, this editor is very smart. If you do some mistake, right? Static. Can you see this? Oh, hello. Here it is crossed. And when you put your mouse on it, what it is saying?
Syntax
Syntax
error.
error and token, right?
Starting is expected.
Yeah, token is the smallest part of your Java program. So you understand? Compiler is compiler is working behind the scene. Yes, comment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Compiler is working behind the scene. Really? Yes. Here, compiler is working behind the scene. The moment when you save your program, compiler is converting your source code into Java bytecode.
Target code.
Target code.
Target code. Very nice, very nice. System dot. You see my shortcut? You see? Sysout. If you write sysout and click on this option, magic. In double quotes, oh my God, save me. Done. You can run anything. So what this program, if your system.out.println means you want to print this statement on the console. If you want to run it, what you need to do? Click on this. Run as Java application. Hey, what? Some people are clicking over here. Don't click on that, please. Just follow my technique. Right click on this area, run as Java application. Again, right click on this area, run as Java application. Can you see this? Oh my God, save my life. Okay. Anybody have any question query?
So
No.
why cannot we click on that button that is right in the top? What's the difference
No, no,
in
no,
right?
no difference. No difference. You can do it,
Same, right?
but this is the best way to run it, I would say. Sometime in that way, your program might be not running, but if you run like this, it will always run.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Best practice. You can say best practice, which I
Yes,
recommend
sir.
you.
One question. When we create a class, it brought the all keywords, right? Public, static, void,
Everything.
main,
Let
everything.
me do that. Yep. That is actually editor, which makes your job easy. Let me write another program, okay? Add num. Can you see this? My class name. And you have to select it. When you select it, automatically it will add this public static void main. Thank you. Can you see this? This is called comment. Comment means date code. Eh, this is called comment. Comment means this line will not execute. It is inactive. Got it?
Yeah.
Next thing which I am going to teach you, data type. What? Data type. What is a data type? Data types are basically used to create the memory. What is it? Data type is used to create a memory, and in memory you can store your data. So in computer, if you want to store the data, what you need? Memory, because everything is processed inside the memory. RAM, you know it, right? Cache
Yeah.
memory, RAM.
Yes.
So again, I'm telling you what data type does. It is used to
Create a memory.
Memory.
data types. Please, I'll teach you, right? The data type. This kind of definition you will not get anywhere, I'm telling you. It is used to create memory. And this memory can hold data. That's correct?
Yeah.
Can hold data which is used in the program. Anybody have any question query regarding this statement? Please.
No, you're good.
Data types, I can give you some example of it. Some other example of data types are int, right? Float, double, long. String is also data type. Character. Anybody have any question query? It's too clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
So I'm
That's
going to show you some example. Data type like integer is used to hold integer value 1, 2, 3. Who is this? Float is used to hold float data. Double is used to use double data. Long, right?
Primitive
So
data?
yeah. Primitive, non-primitive.
Yes.
That's fine. We should not confuse in that for now.
Okay.
See, let's deal with the integer. Okay, ready? If you want to create a memory which can hold integers, so you can use integer keyword. Integer is used to allocate the memory, and this is the memory name. You can give any name to it. My dear friend, memory name is num. In num, you can assign what value? This value. People from non-computer background, do you understand this or not?
Yep.
So this is creating a memory, and that memory name is num.
Num.
And in num, you are holding 100. Similarly, you can create another memory num2, num1, and 300. Fine. If you want to perform some mathematical operation, you can use integer some variable name, and you can do num1 plus num2. Hello. So what I'm able to do in this? People from the non-IT, Jaya.
Yeah, I'm getting
This
it,
is
sir.
number one, number two memory, two variable. Every memory is represented by the variable. Integer says, hey, num1, you are my memory, and you are supposed to hold 100. Hey, num2, you are my memory. You are supposed to hold 300. Num1 plus num2, right? Mathematical operation. Hey, you know mathematics? Yep. So we have a rule, right? First of all, multiplication will take place or addition? Multiplication. So what is the output of it? 300 into 2, 600 plus 100.
700.
700.
You can print the output of it. If you want to print the output of it, you can just say system.out.println and you can print the variable. Sum is called variable, num is called variable. Why? Why sum is called variable? Because its value can be changed. You know variable? Sum is a, what is a variable?
Value.
The one that holds
That is
Well,
of
which
one.
contains
which
variable
value can be changed?
different value.
Which value can be changed? So a variable can hold different values.
Yes.
So here, what is the output if you run it? And don't forget to save your program when you write it. If you run it
700.
as per the rule, it should come 700. So anybody have any question query regarding this? Please,
No.
No.
please go and the way I'm typing the program and do it. I'm telling you, I used to teach advanced Java, core Java, from very long time. I'm telling you, teaching core Java is very challenging job. because we need a lot of energy and you have to continuously speak on it. But if I teach you advanced Java, what you will do? Click here, click there, right? Make this class, auto this, blah, blah, blah. So teaching advanced Java is cup of tea. But
Can I
teaching core
ask
Java
one?
is, please, go ahead.
What does it mean by ARGS over there? String after the bracket?
Actually, this is the variable name. You can give
Oh,
any
okay.
name to it. What's your name?
Argument.
Vishwa.
Vishwa. You
No,
can write any name over here.
okay.
This is just a
Oh,
variable name, and variable name could be anything.
okay. Thank you.
I will kill you. See,
Mhm.
I'll not kill you. I'm just joking.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Okay.
got it.
What's the use of that one?
Yeah. Actually, I will teach you this later. This is used to take input from the keyboard, from the command line. Sometime you want to give input to your program, right? Hey, program, take this input and go ahead. Hmm? Hello, this will come down the line.
Okay. And is it
Please.
necessary to put like number equals to 100? Can't we put just integer number num1 and then give a pass 100 below the program?
Yeah. Both are the same. Both are the just syntax. Okay. This is also correct. Can you see this? You want to do like this? Hello.
And we can pass it later on as well, right?
Yeah. It is this is all about syntax.
Okay. Okay.
Let me write another program. Factorial of a number, and this is last program for today. Factorial. Please go and do the practice of it. So here, no, factorial you cannot do it because we don't have that much knowledge. I'm sorry. Please. Integer, I don't have that much knowledge. Okay, I cannot. Factorial I can teach later, not right now. Like here, what you can do is you can take a variable and here, if you want, you can multiply this number 3 times. What is the output of it? You know it. So here you can write the message result is. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So this is going to print as it is. Result is, and you can append plus temp. You know what is the output? Result is plus temp. So it would say result is 4 into 4 into 4. 64. Hello? You understand this pattern? Whatever you write in double quotes, it will print as it is. Plus you want to append this variable value. Got a point? If same program, we're not applying. If you write temp inside it, you know what happened? Here, it is not going to print the value of temp. It will say result is temp. It can print the variable value when it is outside the double quotes only. Can you see this? If you save your program, so what output is saying, sir? Result is temp. Why? Because whatever write in double quotes, it will print as it is. If you want this variable value should get printed, you have to write outside the double quotes. I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, sir, I do have one question. In line, sorry. Yeah, in line 7, you use temp. So what is the difference between this and temp you use right now and before?
No, you can use any variable name could be anything.
Just variable, okay.
It could be anything. Now you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It could be anything. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
But good question. I like it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
In the place of line number 4, if we remove this after screen args, can we allow to put the variables down? It doesn't, right?
No. This is fixed. This is the method parameter I will teach you. You cannot move it anywhere else. No.
Okay.
This line is fixed. Curly bracket you can write anywhere. That's fine, right? The curly bracket open and close is called definition. We'll talk about the method signature and all soon. Okay. So my dear friends, I think this is enough for today. Stopping my session till here. and we'll continue next topic in next session. Thank you so much for your time.